Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So in the previous class we have done the construction of the triangle when length of the three sides are given, that is by the help of the triple S criteria, right? Now we are going to start the construction of the triangle when two of its side and an included angle is given. Means two of its side and included angle, that is we will use a SAS criteria to construct the triangle when the length of two sides and an included angle is given. Okay, so here is one question from your exercise. You have to construct a triangle ABC in which AB is 5.5 centimeter, AC is 6.4 and angle BAC is 45 degree. So you can see that angle is given at BAC. Okay, so when you will take the baseline, you have to be focused that A should be there, the vertex A should be there. You can see that ABAC, A is present, so you can take any line as the baseline. So what's your first step? First step is you will draw the rough sketch. Draw rough sketch so that you can get the idea of every step. Okay, so suppose I am taking here AC because the angle is at BAC. Okay, suppose I am taking here AC. AC is 6.4 centimeter. Now at A, its angle of 45 degree. So I will construct the angle of 45 degree with the help of the compass. But since this is a rough sketch, I am getting an idea, right? Then I will cut the arc of 5.5 centimeter since AB is 5.5. At the last, I will join the B with the C vertex. So here is the figure of the triangle which will look like with the following measurements. Okay, now let's just start the actual construction. First, AC 6.4 centimeter. So take the ruler, draw the line of 6.4 centimeter. 6.4. Here it is 6.4. Name the vertex AC, write down the measurement. Now what's our second step? I have to construct the angle of 45 degree here. So we will construct the angle 45 degree with the help of the compass. So how you will construct it? First step is you will draw the arc of any radius. Draw the arc of any radius at A. Suppose it's like this. Now cut the arc. From this point it's 60 degree. Again from this it's 120. So since we have to construct 45, first I will construct 90 degree. Okay, so here it is 90 degree. Join this with the A vertex. Okay, now since I have to construct 45 degree, how will I construct it? I will construct the angle bisector of 90 degree. This is 90 degree. I will construct the angle bisector of this. That is, how do I construct the angle bisector of 90 degree? From this point I will cut a arc. Then from this point I will cut a arc. So the point at which both the arc meet, here the point at which both the arc meet, join that line, and that line, that is this angle, is of 45 degree. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now what's our next step? Next step is I have to construct a AB line of 5.5 centimeter. So I will cut the arc of 5.5 centimeter. So open the compass of 5.5 centimeter. Here it is 5.5 and here it is 0. So taking A as the center, cut the arc of 5.5 centimeter. Here it will cut. So name it as vertex B. Now what's our next step? Join the vertex B with the vertex C. AB is of 5.5 centimeter. You can write down the measurement. So here you can see that this is the actual construction of this triangle A, B, C. Okay, now let's see one more question related to this concept. Suppose this is your next question. You have to construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is 5.2 centimeter, PR is 6 centimeter, and angle QPR is for 55 degree. Okay, PR. So I am taking PR as the baseline. First step is I will draw the rough sketch. Suppose I am taking PR, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, at P then I will construct the angle of 55 degree approximately. It will look like this. After that PQ is 5.2 centimeter. Here it is Q. PQ is 5.2 centimeter. Okay, so this is a rough sketch. Now let us draw the actual with the help of the equipments of construction. So first step is PR 6 centimeter. Construct the line PR of 6 centimeter as the baseline. Here it is PR 6 centimeter. Now at P you have to make the angle 55 degrees. So now I am using the D. So how you will use it? Join this baseline of D with the baseline PR. Okay, at this point, taking P as the vertex, join the vertex. Okay, now since P is the left vertex, so we will see the lower scale of the D. Okay, you 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So 55 is here in between them. So point that and then join the line. Here we go. It is 55 degree. Now what's our next step? I have to construct PQ line 5.2 centimeter. So taking P as the center, I will open the compass of 5.2 centimeter. Okay, so here it is 5.2 and here we go. Right? So it will look like this. Okay, open the compass of 5.2 centimeter. Now taking P as the center, cut the arc of 5.2 centimeter. Name the vertex as Q. Write down the measurement, that is it is of 5.2 centimeter. Join the vertex Q with the vertex R. Here we go. Okay, so this is the triangle PQR with the following measurement. So with the help of this SAS criteria, we will construct the triangle in this way. Okay, I hope this topic is clear. If you still have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you very much.